Hello and welcome to another Monkey 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, as it helps the channel pop up in searches. Okay, so, you know what I forgot to do? Rename it. How do we spell Tyre? T-Y-R-E. Do here anyway. Does that mean I've got to rename this as T-I-R-E since I went with that way with the hood and the fender? No, I'm drawing the line here. So, slash keyboard. Vehicle reversion. Or Control R. In the edges. Make sure you medium point. Scale X. Hang on, scale X again. Pull it quite far. What in all dear? B. With 3 sections. Pulleys on that there now. 1360 is not bad. Bad for a tire, really, is it? All this here is not needed. You're going to see it really. One there, no one there. One there. Right, that's X3. So the fun part now is we've got to do that all over again for the rear. We'll do that. Yes, we can. Get out. Still feel that needs to be pulled out more, you know. Scale it. And do the bottom one also. Scale X. Right, go. Lovely. Right, so let's rename rim now. Go to rim front. Front also. The rear one is going to be different. So go to 3. Need a Shift D, Y on that. Ooh, is the rear rim bigger? It's going to have to be, really, isn't it? I'll pause there, have a quick check, rather than boring you with the search. In a second. Okay, so it turns out that the same size rims, but wider, of course. I'll tell you what, that's hide these again, don't even just now. And it should also hide it in that. Yeah. Images on. Oh, look at that, what a guess. It's all one edit. Ooh. I want to say just pull them in. Hey, well, that's not too bad. That location there. Right from the front. Can't see. whether to make them slightly narrower, but that means pulling the front in. We'll just make it and see how it goes. So let's do this thing again. I like that edge. Come on. Shift S, cursor 2 selected. Shift E, mesh, circle. 28. As I looked at a website there, I reckon that there were 14 and 15-inch tyres. Oh, we'll just go by the images. I'm going to put the 17 in there again. I don't care. Up to you. And rotate on Y90. Go. Tab. It's slightly smaller. So, do a scale. Right. Imaging. Yes, we are. Extrude scale. Rotate them out to that size. To control 1. All. Extrude X. Just inverted the selection to move them across there. Go. Right, so this time, we'll do that first. We'll do, highlight them two, do a Control B for bevel, remove that extra edge, and just move a bit further. Right, that'll do. Right, so in here we needed 5, wasn't it? The outside edge, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So add 1 on, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6. Oops, wrong one. That one. I'm trying to rotate these images if you think it's a model. So same again. I'll hide the images again. The front tire. We kind of need to duplicate that, but with the extra. What's it called? Tread? Come on, brain. Must have been a long day looking at tires, but. So let's rotate them. Rotate X. That one, I'm going to deselect that one as well. Rotate X. These are going to be slightly different, aren't they? Yeah, doesn't look too bad, that actually. Right, so with them selected again, Control B. It's probably would have been better doing that on the front. Right. Let's do this one down to there. So we'll just select these again. Do it. Extrude. The blue lines appeared, so it's going to automatically extrude on Z. Let's move them up a little bit. Shift. No. Bring in there again, Control B. 3 and 2. X 3 1. I like them. I like that one. Then go back to active element. Extrude. Scale Z. Just pull them down. I get that to line up with them, if you see what I mean. Scale Z. So I'm a little bit too far there. Go. So now we need these two. Just slide back a bit. Pull, merge, distance. 2. Set that one there. FF. Start 2 meter. 2. Right, so we'll do it on there. There. 3. Select these again. Easily decent like that. Select a thread that we want to keep. Get them from all angles. Quick check round. Oh, don't need them, but grab them anyway. So under 1, deselect that one. Right, invert. X1. Go. I'm gonna get rid of that as well. X3. Don't need them. 1 all. Now the fun part. Open the team menu. Spin duplicates. Click on the little plus. Click the duplicates. What was the last one? Was it 65? No. Zoom in. Right. This is 75. Wow. Can't remember the last number, I'm afraid. Keep adding 1 till the more or less. Touch. That'll do. 85. Was that the same as the last one? I can't. For all. Touch. Distance. And if there's any little gaps there, like the A's, let's take out A0 there. There we go. Nice. That bit looks awful. Why does that look different to that one? Got an extra edge in there. No. Pick back and move. Hide it team menu because it's not needed. Oh, you know why? I forgot to do. Damn it. Go on. Just in the tab. Like them and then scale. Shift X. I forgot to round the tire off, didn't I? I did. You. So did you. You followed along. Dang it. It's more of the tire going to be on the road, isn't there? So it's just nothing. Hopefully, them just them ones that we've done there. I feel these need to be pulled back as well. Tell you what, 1 to 2. Control R in there. That really puzzles me when that happens. So just press W to get out of it. Then just off again. Control R. And hit them again. Make sure again, median. Scale X. Pull them out to a ridiculous angle. Then do Control B to bevel. Then scroll up once on your mouse wheel. Auto smooth on, maybe 40 again. Right click and shade smooth. Whoa, they look nice and beefy, made, don't they? Put a tire in there. Tyre. T-Y-R-E. Engine. Main. To tire rear. So can we see the front tires? No, we can't. See the rear tires? Yes, we can. We are Suzuki. Right, what we could do now that I remember to look at how long the video is, what we could do is Shift S, cursor to world, and then I'm not sure if this will happen, but we'll right click, set origin to 3D cursor. Done them all. Nice. Let's try with all these selected. Add a mirror. Didn't work. So we need to do Control here. Position and scale. Go. Do for this guy. Mirror. Put it above. Hold A. Rotation and scale. Yeah, rotation and scale. Might as well do these while we're here. Ooh. Oh. That's right. Mirror. And another one. Smooth that out. Good. Not much left to do now. As I can see, possibly exhausts. And little rear lights. Windows, of course. Locks for the doors. See what it looks like in this one. There we go. Right, I shall catch you in the next one. Control S.